Hello and welcome to this video on how to make this birthday card with a butterfly and a flower. Now, this technique of doing this flower I got from watching, again, CC Creations on YouTube, and you just do 3 little dots of colour and then kind of pull them out. I don't think I've quite perfected it. I think I need less water on my brush. Again, just removing a hair because it was fluffy, and then I've just put another couple of dots in there. So it's going to be a 5-petaled flower. It doesn't matter if the pigment runs, because that is the beauty of watercolour, isn't it? So while it's still wet, I'm just putting a little bit more of the pigment in there, just letting it bleed in, kind of spreading it out a little bit more as well with some water. I'm going to leave that to dry and then do the butterfly, so it's just really simple shapes that I'm looking for, keeping it nice and fresh. And then just a little bit away from that top wing, doing a little line for the other wing, but leaving a gap in between. I knew that I wanted to draw the stem in with the pen, with the fine line, so I've just made some green and just adding a few little leaves at the bottom there. I left that to dry and then came in with the uni pin fine line. This one is black and it's 0.1 again. So just doing the stem there, and I felt like it kind of showed up a little bit too much on its own. So that's why I've just done a few little outlines of the leaves as well, just to kind of bring the stem into the leaves. Now, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with the black on the butterfly, and to be honest with you, I think I ruined it. I should maybe have done some sketches beforehand and decided what looked better, but I don't know. Tell me what you think, whether you think I ruined the butterfly, because I did just like the simplicity of the shapes of colour. I should maybe as well have just used a Payne's grey to paint the body in, but I did want to do the antenna with the fine line. So to rescue the butterfly, I thought I would do some kind of little dots in there and make more of the black. And sometimes obviously butterflies have little spots and things on their wings to make it look like eyes, but that doesn't look like eyes. That's just a line. Because this was a birthday card, I just added the words happy birthday on this. So just eyeballing the lines, the top and bottom of the capital letters and the top of the middle letters. So just writing it out in pencil first, going over with pen, because I'm not confident enough just to do it with the pen straight away. Then I tried to salvage it again with the gold ink. I love the way you mix it. And then, of course, because I mixed it with this kebab stick, I thought, well, instead of wiping the gold off it and wasting it, that I thought I would use the kebab stick to apply it. But it kind of went quite blobby on the middle of the flower, so that's why I've gone with a brush for the butterfly. I don't know if you can see, but I love the way that when you apply the gold ink, it kind of fizzles on the paper. I think at this part I wanted to take away some of the black. So that's why I've gone over it with gold, just so that then it's a paler colour, because I really did not like that butterfly at all. Then I'm just going over the petals with some of the dark pink, just as little details in the middle of the petals. All that was left to do was to rub out the lines for the happy birthday. Obviously you can make this card anything you like. You don't have to put the letters on. You could put get well soon or new home or something. But that is a super simple card. Like I say, I wish I hadn't done that with the butterfly, but it doesn't look too bad. So I'm sure that my mum, who is getting it, will be very happy with it. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!